Fenda was incorporated in April 1993. It was listed on the main board of the Shenzhen Stock Exchange in June 2012, stock code 002681. Fenda Technology Park covers an area of 170,000 square meters with 430,000 square meters in construction area. After more than 20 years of product development and innovations, Fenda has developed 4 core areas of expertise: electro-acoustic, wireless technologies, software engineering, and design and precision machining, and we have become a leading smart solutions provider for products and services. Today, Fenda has 4 main business units: audio systems, hair care electronics, smart wearables, and precision metal components. Fenda plans to be in the healthcare industry with healthcare products and mobile health services, leveraging its smart wearable business and technology platforms. Fenda aims to become a leading high-tech enterprise in electronics manufacturing and services in line with the national strategy of China Manufacturing 2025 plan.